Another bag. You know I love my bags. What's up everybody, Zeke here with another episode, and today we're talking about the Lowepro Protactic 450 AW. This is their limited edition kind of colorway. It's a green camo digi color. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of get it unzipped. I'm gonna show you how the insides, what the layout looks like, what are some of the features of this bag. So let's go ahead and roll a quick intro and let's get started. So I have the bag, set it up right here next to my other Lowepro bag. Now the bag on the left, this is the Drone Guard BP250 by Lowepro, and that's now sitting next to the Lowepro Protactic 450. What's really awesome about the Protactic, in my opinion, and one thing that really drew me to it, is they really designed this bag, you know, for the photographer in mind, and beyond that, it's really versatile for even beyond just being a photographer or a cinematographer, but taking it to that next level with also being a drone pilot and having my drone with me. So you know, they really position this bag as being the bag that is made for the quote kind of professional, but I even think some mid-level, or even what I would consider myself to be more definitely in the amateur end, would be able to get away with in using this bag. So one of the things that you'll notice about this bag right away is it has this unique slip lock system. Now Lowepro kind of markets this as having up to 50 different anchor points on the bag itself, so you can anchor external accessories on top of this. Now they do give you some extra kind of setup systems, you know, these modular accessories, so that you can do things like put up a water bottle, an accessory case, a tripod cup, along with 2 cinch straps that all easily attach to the slip lock system and is all included within the bag. I would say one of my favorite kind of features that you find on this bag, along with a lot of other Lowepro bags, is their ActivZone harness system. It really is designed for, you know, the ventilation and targeted comfort. And then on top of that, the straps themselves. Now it does have that waist belt that's included within the bag itself, but that is easily removable. The shoulder straps are extremely comfortable, and it has, you know, the option to clip on some external accessories there as well. Another great feature that I like about this bag is all the ways that you can get into it. Now, it is not a front-loading bag that you would traditionally see with a backpack. It's actually a rear-open bag, so that is, when I have my bag on, I know that no one's going to be able to get into my bag while I'm wearing it. It does have 4 total compartments to get in. There's one on each side here. There's one here, another one right there. We have the top load, 2 accessory pockets on each side. So on this side pocket, you can set it up so once you open it up, you have easy access to the inside of the bag, and you can configure it as is. So let's go ahead and open up the main compartment on this bag, and I'll show you what that looks like now. Okay, now you can see in the inside of the bag, it does have this really awesome orange colorway. This also plays along with their limited edition. The standard Protactic bag is an external color of black with gray interior. And so now you get this really awesome kind of orange accent. All of these different dividers are removable, and you can kind of set the system up so that it is configurable to your desired setup. So like I said, this is going to be holding my main camera, my GoPro, gimbal, along with my Mavic and all those kind of accessories. It can also hold up to a 15-inch laptop with some other accessories to go along in this front pockets here. And then, as I said, that zips all the way up, and it's nice and secure on your bag. All right. So I changed, putting my stuff away because I need to go for a run, but I wanted to do one final clip on this thing. This is a great bag. You know, I haven't even used it yet, and I can tell I'm already going to love it. It's big, it's beastly, but that's how Lowepro makes their bags. And if I'm going to have all my gear with me, my Mavic, my camera, my GoPro, batteries, filters, water, tripod, the list goes on. You know, you need a bag. You need a good bag. And for this, thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. That's my 2 thumbs up. Obviously, this is just my first impressions on this bag, but from what I can tell already, it's going to be awesome. I've always loved Lowepro. You know, this isn't a paid endorsement. They're not paying me to say this stuff. I absolutely paid, I think it was like $249 for this bad boy. And then I saw a coupon that Lowepro had on their website. But anyways, I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna start using this bag and I'll do a follow-up on it in a few months or so. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, give it that thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, all those wonderful places. Everything's just Zeke's View. I hope to continue to do reviews like this, but I think this is a solid bag. Oh, there's the door, gotta go. Bye-bye.